Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and it's Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas to everybody out there. We are working on one of Mary's quilts. She's my Bonnie Hunter girl. She bought a book and is pretty much just making her way through this book, and I love this one. It measures 80 by 70, and it's got beautiful stars in it and lots of piecing paperwork, or like paper piecing, or even just like cute little sections. I don't know. I really like it. I like it. It reminds me of Christmas. It reminds me of like every season. It's got bright colors in it. And I love the little tiny sashing with the little cornerstones or cobblestones or whatever they call those things in the center there for sure. I absolutely love it. So this is, you got this one and two other little projects to view on this glorious Christmas day. And take a look at this beautiful project of Mary's. We're using pistachio thread. She's my flannel backing girl, and it's a red flannel back. And I think it matches absolutely beautiful. And there's just a little bit of color here on the whites. And here we go. Resume. I love it because it's got all sorts of fabric in it, and that's why I think I loved it for this day, to be able to share it with you. It's got holly and berries and candy canes and trees and pine trees and gold filigree. It's lovely. I love it that there's something inside each star, and we chose to put a hearts in swirl all over the whole quilt, so it's stitching that out lovely. We did it on a couple of baby quilts as well of hers with the heart shaped on it. So wishing everyone a very Merry Christmas from our house to yours, from Munchkin, Pop, myself, Sophie, Lofi, Clive, the cat, even the chickens in the yard. We all wish you a very, very Merry Christmas and a joyous New Year, and hopefully you get to spend it with your loved ones, and it's not what's under the tree, it's what's around. So, Merry Christmas, everybody. Watch some more footage of some beautiful stitch outs, and we will see you soon. Take care. Bye.